Hi, I am Leandre, owner of Unveil Elegance Events, and today we are here to shoot a beautiful candlelight style shoot. The idea is to create a truly modern and unexpected twist on the winter styling by the use of shooting in candlelight to illustrate how beautiful shadows and rich textured elements translate to a very romantic setting for a winter wedding. Winter weddings seem to be falling a bit behind on the popularity scale, and we are hoping to show the modern bride just how luxurious one can actually be.
Hi, I'm Courtney from Unveil Elegance Events. We are making use of an old world romance and modern minimalist approach. We are relying on the use of many candles to give off that golden romantic light, adding ambience and warmth against a cold winter's night. The use of different tapered candles strategically grouped and scattered at different heights, and the use of muted tones of ivory, creams and beiges. This allows the candlelight to create beautiful shadows against the rich textures, as you can see with the use of the rough ceramics, textured linens draping, fur throws and embossed stationery, which in turn creates an appealing, asymmetrical, romantic look and a feeling of warmth. Through simplicity comes great beauty. As we know, winter is usually not known for having many florals in bloom. That's why we've put our focus on the minimal use of florals and simple decor, and thus proving how by doing this you can still create an elegant table setting, and how sometimes non-conventional solutions can lead to beautiful things. If I had to think of what a royal wedding would look like in the medieval days, I would think of an old castle where kings and queens used to have those extravagant candlelit feasts. A rich aspect of romance and candles and rich textures of fur coats created that overwhelming, dramatic, romantic and royal affair. Everyone should feel that sense of royalty on their wedding day. That is why we've added the twist of this royalty on the theme.